Hare Krishna. Today we are going to prepare Nityananda Trayodashi special Palak Ghonto recipe. So first heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Add 15 to 20 urad dal badi. I have shared this badi recipe in the description box below. Fry the buddies on low flame until they turn golden and crispy. The buddies have fried very well. Take them out in a plate. In the same pan, add 2 bay leaves, 2 slitted green chillies, 2 dried red chillies, 1 teaspoon of kalonji, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 2 diced potatoes, 200 grams of pumpkin. Mix all this well. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, mix it once. The veggies have cooked partially. Now add 1 diced radish, 3 brinjals. Mix and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, add salt as per requirement, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. We don't use much masalas in this sabji. Next spread 300 grams of chopped spinach. Don't mix it, cover the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. It has been 4 to 5 minutes. Mix it gently. Spinach doesn't take much time to cook. Now add the badi that we have fried and kept aside. Let's cook this for another 2 minutes. So with this, our Nityananda Trayodashi special Palak Ghonto is absolutely ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Shri Shri Gaur Nitai. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.